Hey everybody, it's Jen Gasper, coach with Hurricane Marketing Enterprises, and today on Coach's Corner, I wanted to share with you some ideas of one of my most favorite things to do when I was a marketing rep out in the field, and that is to celebrate some weird and fun and crazy random national holiday. So specifically for today, I want to help get you prepared for some of the national holidays that are coming up in August. Now, it's not something that you have to celebrate all of them. I'm giving you some different ideas so you can find one that sounds like it's going to be a fit for your personality and how you want to represent yourself with your referral sources. So let's get started. One of the first national calendar days coming up is August 10th, and that is National S'mores Day. So how I envision this happening is for you to buy some things in advance. Buy a bag of the fun-size Hershey candy bars, a couple bags of the large marshmallows, and then some graham crackers, and individual treat bags that you can wrap all of these things together in. So in each bag, you would include one fun-size candy bar, two of the graham cracker squares, and one of the Hershey candy bars. And then you can twist that all up and have it all prepared in one bag. Now, the really super fun thing to do with this is attaching a tag on that, including your logo, your name, and your contact information with a cute and, I'm gonna be honest, slightly cheesy saying. But that's what makes it so fun, and that's what's going to help get you remembered as you're making your visits. So, for example, you could say, "It's more fun when we work together." Or, "We need s'more people like you in the world." Or how about, "We'd love to work with s'more of your residents," or "We'd love to work with s'more of your patients." And then the last one that I wrote down is, "We couldn't love you s'more." Aww, however you make a heart. Totally cheesy, I know, but that's kind of my personality, and I know some of you fit that too. But even if it doesn't feel right for you, try it. Break out of your comfort zone. You don't grow unless you push yourself beyond what you think you want to do. So I encourage you to try that. If S'more Day isn't in your wheelhouse, then we have another national calendar day coming up, and it's August 15th is National Relaxation Day. So maybe there's an account where they've been sending you a lot of referrals lately, and you want to use it as a thank you. Or maybe there's an account that you've been having a difficult time breaking into. So maybe you connect with a massage therapist, see if they can come in and you can sponsor some massage therapy for the residents and staff at a particular agency, either as a thank you or a sponsored activity. It would be a great way to celebrate the day, and you don't have to do it everywhere. You can pick and choose which location that you want to do it at. The other thing that's coming up is August 16th, and August 16th is National Tell a Joke Day. This is a really cool way to celebrate. I envision maybe looking at Google for a list of some one-liner jokes, or maybe there's some jokes that you have that are your favorite, and you just print them out, cut them into little strips on pieces of paper, fold them up, put them in a basket, take them around with you on your drop-in visits, and everybody that you come in contact with, have them draw a joke and read it out loud. Chances are you're gonna get some giggles. Maybe you're even gonna get some groans, but what's gonna happen is that's going to naturally bring people together to see what's going on and engage and start in conversations with everybody. It's also a very fun and non-threatening way for you to go into some of the places. Maybe you haven't met a contact there yet, or maybe you just don't feel comfortable, or you're intimidated for some reason to talk to this person, but knocking on the door and say, "Hey, it's National Joke Day. I want you to draw a joke." It's gonna drop everybody's guard and allow you an opportunity to take that relationship just a little bit further. The other day that's coming up is the last day in August that I wanted to talk about is August 26th. And that is National Dog Day. So if anybody has a little furry love or a big furry love, like in my case, that you wanted to take out for some pet therapy, some pets and some snuggles with residents and into your home care agencies and your hospices, this is a wonderful opportunity to do it and an excuse to do so. It will also allow you to engage in conversation. That can be your primary focus of a question that you ask everybody when you're in the accounts. It's National Dog Day. Here's mine. Do you have any pets? Do you have a dog? And you can, again, take that relationship to the next level so that you're feeling more confident and more comfortable going in to visit those people the next time around. So I hope you have so much fun celebrating National Calendar Days. I would love to hear if you have any ideas of your own, or if it's something that you're planning on doing, let me know what and share your experiences with me in the comments down below. I'll be excited and looking forward to hear with them. Thank you guys. Have fun.